So in this video, I'm going to talk about classifying matter worksheet 2, which is conceptual, meaning that we're giving like just the balls of the atoms and we want to classify in terms of pure substance, mixture, element, homo, hetero, and it's specifically if they're homogeneous or heterogeneous, we want to know is inside has compound or element or how are they classified. So first of all, in this small table, we want to draw the map. Same things, the matter will be classified into pure substance and mixture, and then pure substance will be classified into element and compound, mixture will be homo and hetero. Now for this worksheet, I want you to let you know that we want to like write down some reason here to help you to classify the material. So on the top of the worksheet here, we will just give the reason for this material. So the reason I know for matter would be because matter has volume, has mass. And this one will be the element. So the element reason will be just only one kind of atom. Now, why don't we use chemical symbol for this worksheet? It's because this worksheet, we will not giving you any chemical symbol. We will not give you any structure. So we will just give you the ball. So we don't need to know chemical formula. We will just use only one kind of the atom. And this is the compound. So the compound, the reason is just different kinds of atom. Again, we don't need to know chemical formula because I'm not going to give it to you that. And this is both belong to pure substance. So the pure substance, the reason will be only one substance. And then on the other hand, this is a compound. So the compound, we can have two reasons that we can help us to classify. The first reason is this is same phase. Actually, yes, same phase, okay, only one phase. And then the other reason would be they mix really well. And then this is the hetero, this is the homo, this is hetero. The hetero, we know that there's different phases, and also they don't mix well. And they both belong to mixture, so mixture would be more than one substance. So the top part, we're using the reasons to help us to classify the picture. Now on the bottom here, the direction is for each picture, we first label element or compound. And if in the same picture we have two different kinds of element or two different kinds of compound, we're going to label E1 or E2, C1 or C2. If we only have one kind of compound or one kind of element, we just label C or E. Again, when we have two different kinds of element or two different kinds of compound, we have to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after we label, we go to the first level, will be either pure substance or mixture. And then the second level will be either the answer will be either element or compound, homo or hetero. Now if they're homo, you need to tell me particularly it is E1 plus E2. That means it is a homogeneous mixture of two different kinds of compound, homogeneous mixture of two different kinds of compound, homogeneous mixture of one element, one compound, and same thing for hetero. Now please note that E plus C or C plus E is the same thing. I don't care which one you start first. So let's look up the A. This is the element and nothing else, so we label E. So this one will be pure substance and is an element. Okay, we can use this reason to help you. And the second one is this is a C because it is a compound. You look up that there's atoms they cannot chemically combine together. And this is a element. This is not a compound because you see the atoms are the same kind. For example, O3. Okay, it's the same kind of the atom even though we have more than one. So this is an element and that's all we have, compound element. So this, the B1 is a mixture. Now the mixture inside we have compound plus element. Again, E plus C or C plus E, I don't care. Now since you write that as a mixture, we got to determine HE or HO. So we say this is a mixed really, this is not mixed well. It's not mixed well, and we have two different phases. So this one will be heterogeneous mixture of one compound, one element for B part. This one, I have the small ball is E, a big ball is E. So it's two different kinds of elements. So we label E1 and E2. So this is a mixture, and so we have E1 plus E2, and they mix really well. So it will be homo. So it's a homogeneous mixture of two different kinds of element, E1, E2. And this is a C. So it's pure substance and compound. E is element, so will be pure substance element. F, this is a element because alkyl is the same kind of element, so it's E. This one, the white and black, is compound. So it's the same mixture. We will have element and compound, and they mix well. They mix well, so it is a homo. And G, black and white is compound. the 2 white is element, so it is a mixture and it's a compound plus element and they mix really well. Okay, it's mixed really well, so it's a homogeneous mixture of one compound, one element. And finally, the small ball is E, the white ball is also E, but they are not the same type, so we label E1 and E2. And so this is a mixture of E1, E2. And what kind of mixture? See, you see that they don't mix well. These are 2 different phases. Okay, it's 2 different phases. So that would be heterogeneous mixture of element and element 2. And then the back page will be the same thing. Okay, the back page we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so that's it.